Question number 5, exercise 12.2, Gauss formula. Question says a rhombus shaped field has green grass for 18 cows, okay, to graze. If each side of the rhombus is 30 meters and its longest diagonal is 48 meters. So a rhombus is given to you. As you all know that all the sides of rhombus are equal and which is equals to 30 meters. This is given in the question that all the sides are equals to 30 meters. Okay, and the longest diagonals, let's say this diagonal I am talking about, this length is given 48 meters. Let's say this is P, Q, R and S. So PQRS is a rhombus which is given in the question. Sides is also given 30 meters and length of longest diagonal, that is 48 meters. This is also given in the question. How much area of graze field will each cow be getting? So this complete area will be divided among 18 cows. Okay, beta. So first we need to calculate the area of this quadrilateral, let's say this rhombus. Okay. So first you calculate area of rhombus. So how you calculate area of rhombus? Area of triangle PQR. Though you have two direct formulas for calculating area of rhombus, but for that I don't know what is the value of height here. Okay, so that's why we are using Hero's formula. Area of triangle PQR and plus area of triangle PRS. Okay, so these two are the triangles. So first you calculate area of this triangle. Let's say this is triangle 1 and let's say this is triangle 2. Okay, beta. So triangle 1 is PRS. This is triangle 1, this is triangle 2. So now can you calculate area of these two triangles using Hero's formula? So let's say first I calculate value of S for triangle 1 and value of S for triangle 2. So this is triangle 1, 30 plus 30 plus 48, right? 30 plus 30 plus 48 divided by 2. So this is 16, 108 divided by 2. 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8. So the value of S is 54 meters. Any doubt? Then triangle 2. For triangle 2, the value of S you can calculate using 30 plus 30 plus 48. 30 plus 30 plus 48 divided by 2. Again, you get the same value 108 divided by 2, that is 54, right? Okay. So the value of S is same for both the triangles because both these triangles are identical ones. बेटा देखिए आप देखिए यहाँ पे दोनों के दोनों ट्रायंगल्स कैसे हैं, आइडेंटिकल हैं. आइडेंटिकल होने की वजह से उनकी दोनों की S की वैल्यू बेटा सेम आएगी. सो इसका एक और मेथड है, पहले देख लीजिए बेटा. ओके, instead of calculating area of these two triangles using Hero's formula, what you can do is calculate area of one triangle and multiply it by 2. The reason is there are two triangles. So now you can calculate area of triangle. You can calculate area of any triangle. Let's say PQR. PQR. So how you calculate the value of triangle? So area of this triangle S, that is 54. 54 minus 30. 54 minus 30 and 54 minus 48. Okay, beta. So this is 54 multiply by this will give you 24, again 24, and from here you will get 14 minus 8, 6. Now I have a pair of 24, right? Okay, beta. Now 54 can be written as 9 6 are 54. 9 6 are 54. Okay. So 54 can be written as 3 3s are 9. 9 6 are 54. And this 6 I am writing here. Okay beta, this 6 I am writing here to make it a pair with another 6. Multiply by 24 into 24 as it is. So now I have a pair of 24, 6 and 3. So I can take 3, 6 and 24 out of this square root. 6 3s are 18. So 24 into 18, 8 4s are 32, 19, 4, 2, 2, 3 and 4. So 432. So 432 meter square is the area of one triangle. Now calculate the area of this rhombus. What you can do is twice of 432, so you will get the area of rhombus. Okay, any doubt? देखिए बेटा फिर से देख लीजिए, एक rhombus है, so obviously आपने कहा एक rhombus है, so आपको बेटा जो दो triangles इसमें मिलेंगे वो कैसे होंगे बेटा? Identical होंगे, congruent triangles होंगे. देखिए इस वाले triangle की 30, 30, इस वाले triangle की 30, 30, and this side is common 48, 48. So बजाय आप दो बार इसमें बेटा इनवर्स फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करें, अपने एफर्ट्स लगाएंगे उसमें, so बेहतर है एक ही एक ट्रायंगल का आप एरिया कैलकुलेट कर लीजिए, देन उसको आप फिर से मल्टीप्लाई कर लीजिए, so you will get the area of rhombus. Any doubt in this? Please note it down fast. Then I complete this question.
864 meters square.
How much?
864.
864 meters square. Correct. Or I can write it here. So 432 plus 432. So correct, 864 meter square is the complete answer. Okay. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. So obviously, अब जो आपके पास 864 meter square, बेटा this is the complete area for grazing of 18 cows. Now what you will do? So 18 cows will graze 864 meter square area. So this much area is available with 18 cows. So how much area that one cow will get? One cow will get for grazing will be equals to 864 divided by 18. Now 6 1 is 6, 26, 6 4. 6 3s are 18, 6 1s are 6, 26, 6 4s are 24, again 24, 6 4s are 24, 3 4s are 12, and 3 8s are 24, so 48. So 48 meter square is the area that comes under one cow. यानी कि एक काउ बेटा कितना एरिया ग्रेज करेगी? 48 मीटर स्क्वायर का एरिया वो ग्रेज करेगी. यहाँ तक क्लियर है? चलिए नोट कर लीजिए इसको. Now this question is completed. Now question number 6 says an umbrella is made by stitching 10 triangular pieces of cloth of two different colors. Of two different colors का मतलब क्या हुआ बेटा? Let's say आपके पास एक umbrella है, so इसमें आपका इस तरीके से different कलर्स का सिर्फ दो different कलर्स से ये अम्ब्रेला बना हुआ बेटा. आपने देखा होगा इस तरीके से डोम लाइक स्ट्रक्चर बनता है, जिसमें आपने देखा कि ये वाला कलर, मान लीजिए बेटा आपका ये वाला कलर रेड है, so मान लीजिए ये वाला कलर आपका क्या होगा? कोई डिफरेंट कलर होगा, लेट्स से ग्रीन कलर. या मैं इसमें डिजाइन बना देता हूँ, लेट्स से इसमें इस तरीके की लाइंस है, इसमें इस तरीके की क्रॉस बना है. So इस पैटर्न में बेटा you have an umbrella of this pattern. Okay. अगेन आपके पास कुछ इस तरीके से बनेगा बेटा ये. सो यहाँ पे इस तरीके से लाइंस होंगी एंड हियर यू हैव लाइक दिस पैटर्न. ठीक है बेटा, एक आइडिया मिला आपको. यू हैव एन अम्ब्रेला विद टू डिफरेंट कलर्स. एन अम्ब्रेला is made by stitching 10 triangular pieces, and how many pieces are here? 10 triangular pieces. Okay, you have 10 triangular pieces. So each type has 5 5, right बेटा? 5 plus 5 लिख सकता हूँ इसे, because बेटा 5 इस टाइप के होंगे, 5 इस टाइप के होंगे, इसमें कोई डाउट नहीं है. So each type has 5 5 triangles, right? Each piece measuring 20, 50 and 50. That means the dimension which are given for these triangles are 20, 50 and 50. Okay? 20 by 50 by 50. This is the dimension of each triangle. This is the dimension of each triangle. Okay, beta? How much cloth of each color is required for the umbrella? So first you calculate area, right? Using Heron's formula. So first you calculate value of S. What is the value of S? 20 plus 50 plus 50, right? Divided by 2, that is 120. Exactly. So this will beta, this is 60 centimeter. I think all the values are given in centimeters, right? This is in centimeter, centimeter and centimeter. So this comes out to be 60 centimeters. Don't forget to mention this unit, okay, while you are solving any question. Now area of each, area of one triangle. Let's say area of one triangle. Dimension wise all triangles are similar, but they are different in colors. So you have S, S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. So you can say S is 60, 60 minus A, 60 minus B, 60 minus C. 60 minus 50 and beta 60 minus 50. Any doubt till this point? Any doubt till this point? So beta this is 60 as it is. 60 minus 20 will give you 40, right? So this is 40. This is beta 10 and 10. Now 60 into 40 beta can be written as, beta please don't write while I am teaching. Just for you only, not for me. Okay? So 60 into 40 can be written as beta 6 into 10, 4 into 10, right? And these two 10 I already have one pair of 10. So now I have two pairs of 10, right? One pair is this one and other is this one. So can I take these two 10s out from this square root? Now 6 into 4 beta can be written as, 6 can be written as 3 2s are 6. And 4 can be written as 2 2s are 4. Again I have one pair of 2, so can I take this 2 out from this square root? So now I have 200 bracket 6. So this is 200 root 6, this much centimeter square. This is the area of one triangle. This is the area of one triangle. How many triangles I have? Total 10 triangles I have. 5 of different color, 5 of another color. So please note it down fast at this point and I will complete this question. Now you need to calculate of each area. How much cloth of each color is required for the umbrella? So you can say for one color area required. Area required or area needed will be equals to beta 5 plus 5 है ना बेटा? So 5 multiplied by 200 root 6. So this will comes out to be 1000 root 6 meter square. Then for another color, area required,
centimeter square.
correct. Oh sorry, centimeter square, because this is given in centimeters. So root 6. So this is also 1000 root 6 centimeter square. So this is your complete answer. Okay. So question number 7, 8 and 9. So question number 7, 8 and 9 is for your homework. Okay. Question number 7, 8 and 9 is for your homework. Practice these questions.